had this whole day of recording, all planned out. Some footage I wanted to go get for this and this and this and this and this. Cut them all together and make a great video. But as luck would have it, good luck, bad luck, we don't know yet. But as luck would have it, it's raining again. And as much as I love getting out in the rain, I don't love getting out in the rain with all the good camera stuff. No good footage. Just this footage right here. The lovely front room of my apartment. And a fly swatter. Oh! I missed. It happens. It's only 5 o'clock. You can still see that it's kind of bright outside. It's not really bright. It's very cloudy. I'm looking out the back door, by the way. It's very cloudy. There's rain coming down. Oh. The fly is the size of a small bat. I might have to leave abruptly from the video. Right now. Shh. No. No. He's a sneaky one, that one. He saw me coming. He's got some kind of a sixth sense, this fly. But I'll get him. I will get him. I'm a patient man. I've been waiting all day to go out and get some camera footage for a video I've got planned and trying to get it put together for you. I have a whole list of things that I've got written down to go work on. I don't know if you guys can see that. So one page of the notes, another page. Yeah. Oh, it's blurry. Another page of notes, another page of notes, another page of notes. Another page of notes. That's the plan anyway. But it's raining. And as much as I love getting out in the rain, I don't like taking the cameras out. I don't mind the GoPro, I take the GoPro out, that's not a problem, but I don't like taking the other cameras out when it's raining because they're cameras and it's rain. And electronics and water don't really get along. Not gonna do it. There is no longer a fly in the apartment. Don't need that anymore. Once the weather clears up, I'll go get that camera footage and I will splice together the video that I had planned for today. I'm gonna attach some B-roll. If you're not a videographer or a camera person or up on the lingo, B-roll is just cinematic shots. Camera footage of cinematic things. Camera footage taken in cinematic ways. It's filler footage. It's supposed to move the stories along. For example, if I were to leave here and go someplace else, the B-roll would be the footage of me traveling to that place. Not a lot of commentary, just the travel footage itself. That would be the B-roll. Maybe I'll insert some B-roll examples. cinematic. Did you did you enjoy that footage? It's kind of funny. They say the more you practice, the better you get at anything, right? It's cool. I've been having fun learning how to make these videos anyways. Yeah, the rain's really coming down, so not gonna be able to go out and get that camera footage I was wanting to get today, but it's only Saturday, so maybe tomorrow, hopefully. Anyway, that is it. There's nothing else left to say. Rhymes might be gay. I'm stuck in the apartment and I hate it. At least it's not like typhoon raining, so the odds of the power going out are pretty slim right now. Can you hear that? Anything else I can ramble about? Probably. Anything you want to hear me ramble about? Probably not. So we're gonna call this one a wrap. Get out of here. Whatever. Hey, see you guys in the next one. Be good or good at it.